Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create skull heart shake editing in CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm just going to make it simple guys. So I'm going to use CapCut template to create skull heart shake editing. So here I'm going to go to the templates menu and here we can go to the search bar and search for the skull heart shake edit. Skull heart shake like this, and there will be a lot of templates for you guys and you can choose one of the templates that you like. Wait, let me check the template. Oops, sorry. I'm going to decrease the volume. Okay. Wait, guys. Okay, let me choose this video and I'm going to click on use template and we're going to replace the video in the template with our own video. And for me, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, we just need to select one video or one item and we can click on next. Okay, and the video in the template will be replaced with our own video. Okay. Okay, and this is the result. And you can replace the video if you want. Just click on the video and you can click on replace to replace your video with another video. And wait, let me use this template for another video. Let me choose this one. Okay, all right. Okay, I think I'm going to use this video guys. Okay, and once you're done you can click on export and I recommend you to export without watermark to remove this CapCut watermark from your video. Okay, now it's still loading. Oops, sorry, there is not. Okay, don't forget to export without watermark so the CapCut watermark will be removed from your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create skull heart shake editing in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.